เนาะ It's made from coconut milk fresh and rice flour. When you eat it, you might have to open it because if you take the whole pan, bite it will leak in the middle. In Thai, we call Khanom Krok. Khanom, anything that snack, appetizer, sweet, we call Khanom, not the savory, not the real meal. Krok because the shape of the pan like a mortar and pesto. You see, you open the topping, it's different. You get taro, corn, or pumpkin, you know. It's from fresh coconut milk. It's so good, isn't it? Some people call them Thai rice pudding or Thai rice pancake. Is it too sweet for you? You have sweet for breakfast. It's delicious. I'm glad you like it because this thing is very unique, you know. You cannot just go to a nice restaurant and sit and order and they won't make it. Look, professional.
Yeah.
She make a thin layer first, right? Then attach each other, and then they put another one in. It's easy to take off. Yeah, it's very smart. When I do with my grandma, we have a clay one, not the iron like this. And when we don't do like we do one each turn. Just take the time, scoop everyone out, and take every time. Yeah, that's a coconut milk that mixed with rice flour already here in this very okay. แม่นน้องสั่งกุ้งอ้ายขั้นละเพิ่นบ่หันเพิ่นอ่านข้อความอ่ะ Okay, so next I'm gonna take you down. We're gonna take a look at the noodle shop. So we have fresh noodle here. And when we make our pad thai today, we use fresh noodle.